Socrates is in the industry, but he doesn't want to grow. People who have directed movies 20 years, 30 years are still refreshing their mind. Industry in his era is different from now. When some of us we are continuously updating our skills. Yes, we are online. We do research. When we bring up ideas, don't rubbish it.
Some months ago, Poleeno Multimedia factory also say bring back the love of Kumawood. Your boy Juma ye pay interview bia. Eka one director we are na me say me interview, but ye interview no ye twisa da bia na bibi abebom na ye anye. Ena ne mabenya no set we so de. Maba or directing movie be a friend of cross. Na me say director meet me ehwe e ma on directing movie sa. Nti e was say me no etwetwe nkomo. Director Same ena me no e wo ha. And come on, Poleeno. Director,
thank you.
I have four brain anymore. That's about your full name here.
Samuel Asai.
Samuel Asai,
yeah.
AKA TP Klan. So, what's a TP Klan? I wouldn't even or no, Anna, maintain or penny castle power or Bodgemo industry. Actually, Director, yeah, Mrabe now starts here. I'll be welcome.
Okay, me want me 21 years, Muni.
2 decades.
Yeah, 2 decades. Say 2000 and officially plan 22 because I started going for audition Miracle Time.
Oh, okay.
1999. At that time I was in secondary school.
I was saying.
Almost 22 years. Because officially me real school 2000 and I'm joining Miracle full time. And it is a mirror industry in 21 years.
Okay. Obia like I said, mirror industry in me say Agya Koo acte we acting in besame so me be star into na me career no. Na eno so o bota into ma career.
Yeah, I believe say acting no na di me call here there, but before say me career movie no. Na me somebody na then time na me call Catholic Church me a CYO organizer, a whole diocese organizer. So a band player, she player, they call we now. I was a front line and I me bibia, but you know, you knew she about it. So me kuramu as an actor, acting for 4 years from 2000 to 2004, and sana me call university. Me grew university muno and directing me starting. So my first movie I made about in a friend Asian.
Okay.
Marketed by Osewu. So I shot in 2005.
Big boss.
Yeah.
I salute you, boss.
Yeah. Since I'm moving on, yeah, me.
And go for braid and someone go for braid talk and say, Kuma would dear, Obia Rema, Timbe director. Okay, 1, 2, and I said, would a chair 1, 2, 3 or say any my director. Into we investing and I was I had to be in here. My main for camera and I may organize the boys and I'm in director.
No, it wasn't like that. Me and Kasami said me theater student, my major in radio and television production. In the field, it's something that I learned.
Oh, okay.
But before say, like you said, before say me because school now I was already in the industry. And working under directors like the late Ifeanyi Onyebo, Miracle Films himself, Kenny Macaulay, and some few directors. So me go school now, me started film studies. Then I started the practicals as well. And I remember they directed my first movie. And see, just after my first movie, now I feel the love for acting.
I drop
enough concentration in our yeah, directing. So I'm the editing. I can't.
And I did animation for count.
And yeah, they call me.
Yes, we are camera. We're there, sanity. Director, what started over 2 decades now? Why now? Because top celeb with them directing that.
I think say many Majid here Jumada.
Majid Nisha.
Yeah, many Majid, many Meka Yvonne Okoro.
Okay.
And Jocelyn Dumas, Ajiteana. I think so but say yeah. A band of both the local and English, yeah. and Van Vicker too. I've worked with John, Prince David, Jackie Appiah, Yvonne Nelson, Rosalind Giza, James Gardner, not yet, and then Gloria Sesafo and many other Kumasi, Mac Brown, Agya Koo, and all those people.
It's a kind of say Kumasi the only BIA Jumada.
Yeah, Kumasi the obviously. All of them.
It's a crown and you Biana, and the American say 70%.
Yeah.
Why not a Juma tough?
Tough. So far, me should encounter Obia. The kind of a director me, I'm very reserved. I observe and I'm always interacting with my cast on set. So Obia should have a tough time. But I can say sometimes Yvonne Nelson on any year Juma, you might not understand her. But if you, because my name say a lot of my colleagues, directors in the year Juma, finding it easy. Yeah, but me Juma, no, I think I don't know, it's because of the collaboration I hear together and I didn't really find it difficult working with her. Yeah, so basically I think or no in quotes or yet so difficult to work with. Yeah, but working with her, no, like I said, me type that I always have to connect with the with the artist. Said the difficulties be and I say maybe you can relate now on and solving it easily. Yeah.
Okay. Now I can say Kuma would only be a Jumada aha Gallywood and I ever can say. And only more any Jumada. And Prempi so no focus say Abia made the script Akuma will be Majid. But one is it a time I be a script a monk of for now? At a point in time, I think after directing Under My Pillow, Rough Riders, and No More Love, it was a Ghana-Nigeria collaboration. I had some little encounter. A producer told me, or the script, one of our artists, Majid Koo. Majid Majid was preferring, a Nigerian director who directs. Yeah, so I was not giving. I don't know. I didn't get the opportunity to meet. One for that to ask questions.
Well, medium say Juma there, and for the fact and Jackie Koo, I think my first project I happen I don't know if there were some people behind it.
Ghana directors,
I cannot speak for them, but I feel sometimes they want to protect their brand because ABO feel so much top until no any director behind directing. Sometimes you may think but we all start from somewhere. The thing is, you need to know, Jumana maybe, if you want to ask questions about me or whatever, you need to get that, to know. Because even in America, stars go for audition. So why would somebody why tried and tested who have to go and audition for a role? So if a producer finds me, I qualify to direct a project for a producer needing the entire or not a sticker. On the entire or they main director man. So you shouldn't sit somewhere and say, director, I want to mean directing me or whatever. But your mind who chance. It's everywhere in Ghana here. Juma Bibrebe Musa, and we don't give people the chance to explore. Until they be no be now kind directors or few directors, yes, because mad the upcoming ones, the opportunity almost to beat me there. BB, what I say, but I've shot like 2 movies with Jackie Appiah, and they were all nice. Majid na minya ne Juma there, but I hope no. Some and I make say it was one project, but after that, me and Kasamin command a script via and I say Bibisa. That was from the producer's point, say the person is insisting that we use Nigerian director, but normal.
Okay, many soon make Kasa or Poleeno Multimedia here or the complaints we bring by I will now a director or direct both for Hane Hano. Abia Obitimi and Sawi Amame. Or say a craft on a chrom too much, or muhu a chain Kumasi. Sometimes maybe a Moko event because I say there was someone Quatia would be crowd do normal attitude. Is it true like that?
Me can't tell Bibisa that. Well, ABI would use Mobia channel, but I feel say, yeah, my division of bank industry. That is what is creating the problem.
Okay.
Obio Kuma would and also acting local who say we hear English into name any the same even Nipano on ye Bibianche and not doing any so name any the same industry Muntino or corner why be on our perception cry than Intino. Yes. But I feel say most of the people that I know are really cool with all the Kumawood stars ne ho ne ma omoni omo vibe Asia din komo ye but I can't tell there and obi on ma said them kind enye bia o kire ne ho ba e bia o so swan ho nti say obey na and I obi say me nim say obi on obi kokasa ne nipa ni ma no and I say because the person is reserved nti when I was working with Nadia Boari Nadia type when she comes on set, the concentration is on the job.
Okay.
In the area, I'll be on paper.
Okay.
But or care more doing the script or doing the scene. She doesn't have time for the commodity man. So always be on one she I'll be on paper. But you're a very lovely person. What I say, a perception being a daily painting, so yeah, the come out for a way sinti. On any panning Kasai, you know, be any panic baby cool, only so penny. Okay. Or can't wait because Bishop Benanyako and the late Bishop Benanyako, Yamin Fan the Crane say, Nayas, also when who are cranny be or by. And our Kakakaswa, I think it's our point because I never cran or actor on so Ghana. It is a film na ya amount invitation crana, at least Ube Jamna and Ka but when who will be asa, ain't no or cancer answer me. Well, like I said,
agree.
Me then I make her say, yeah, Kasani, they are not industry.
Okay.
You get it. Obi bet maka say, it did nothing so you who kuma would phobia.
Okay.
He is also an actor here. But you saw that when into industry now, they are not way English.
Okay.
What I say to we bro for way treat, and I'm massad and I idea that one. But the idea say we see ourselves say boom, we together. This is Ghana film industry.
Okay.
You who is idea, Sani money in our bed, a big chat.
So say almost come out with the call from and Uncle Baby say or do I in the Muntina Manako from. Do you think say the combination of the both Accra and Kumasi could bring back the movie industry in Ghana?
Well, generally, movie industry in a coffin. And there are a lot of things we need to do, all of us.
Okay.
Yes, I don't believe say or any of the year the building the industry.
Okay.
Because even the sorry crowd, and yeah, so members in an dome. What I say, the professionalism and Swadi who be in any bit me a pijama movie industry. I quite remember say I was invited at Peace FM Kosia Boaje show on Kumawood is back in Semia and I said one of the things I say industry need to many season now. They say there are a lot of upcoming actors more opportunities. They are always been playing, supporting 10 scenes. They are in the industry. You can say, oh boy, film. But we are not giving them the opportunity. I'm a few stars face Nisa. Oh, try to be good the industry is the same. Near my opportunities be brave. Omojemanusi bonese me yusu old stars, that's not what I'm talking about.
I think say no sound and komo been a producers mokoye ya Agya Koo ekotene asemo edemano esin so say mo kill in the career.
Yes sir, you cannot depend on few stars. Ghana was talent bro.
Okay.
Ghana what talent is because your mind industry now you closed.
Okay.
Ain't na yen that opportunities no emma for intimate embano. What I say yen BM yemma the people the chance to lead. Na yen A-list artists no support you near the push you. If now no say yen concentrate say we are building new stars, you're building in about 2 or 3 years, you better getting to 30 or 20 thereabouts. Into no shoot when you could do back also.
Okay. And look, I saw a train will be
we Obia, and non Nigerians say, industry now you cannot tell me the lead actor or actress in Nigeria film industry.
Okay.
So you can pick anyone and work with. What I say, and that is me who said no na the major thing I say if you say you are coming back. My main example, I did an example with Nene.
Okay.
Yes, Nene Ghana film industry.
Okay.
Yeah, who dey bit me in Ghana for who dey Mark Brown, Agya Koo, who do bit my.
Okay.
So if Nene say Ghana film and a Nene so back you na didn't sabe treat you and count is a Ghana follow as no. You change it. No, the far comedy. So everybody is seeing a new side of it. That is exactly what we need to do.
Now, and also some more directors in my eyes. I'm also be a PNS or Chitu and I say or like character will be playing.
No,
we are the same routines.
And nothing I may say, the industry is kind of boxed. Yeah, see a beam.
Your creativity of a manner.
I mean to me, from. It's because we are not giving more people the opportunity. I am limited to a few people.
Okay.
What I say, there are a lot of me script here. The guy who wrote the script is not known in the industry, but I can bet my hand on my chest to say he was one of the best script writers I've ever come across.
Wow.
And to say I'm not those kind of people opportunity. How we get his talent at the account. Always be a few script writers. When we say we actual script, we are on one of us or the man. You perceive looking elsewhere for other, talent.
Yeah,
that is our problem. What else? Multimedia, I feel that this industry needs to grow. The growth, it just a big. Let's welcome fresh talent. Okay. Let's welcome them. Near the Omaka, Omo Dada new for no lead role. Near the Dada for no support. Near the Dada for no LED. Near the way support. Near the pushy side. Before you realize, okay.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I get your point. Your point is very clear and understandable. Director, you kind of say now what count is so criticism.
Okay, so for John, when you serious.
I don't know when you're serious.
Socrates is in the industry, but he doesn't want to grow. And I will always say it anytime without any fear.
When you
industry, but he doesn't want to grow. Bro, people who have directed movies 20 years, 30 years are still refreshing their minds. The industry in his era is different from now. Until when some of us we are continuously updating our skills. Yes, we are online. We do research. When we bring up ideas, don't rubbish it. There are some who can say, let's introduce new people in the industry. Why not in his rightful mind? Becca say,
I didn't know can say I know what person.
Well, I don't care. This is an industry thing. Only me what personality I'm talking about the industry. He feels that he has been in the industry for a long time, but he knows it all. Bro, you're fast and Juma. And paying for now you be mama you be. Yes, we are so tap into us. Now from experience, why. But over here, what to say? Why your friend say, Penny be I want to name the film industry that he doesn't know anything now. He should add his experience to the piano. All right.
All right. Continue to my director interview. Never say because some year Juma into me and Juma time so.
Hashtag cross. Hashtag
cross. Cross.
Yes,
I send you
cross no yet. this one is crossing this one, this cast is crossing this one, we are cross, we are here, we are.
Me drum line.
No. I am praying, say Ghana for person say why we have to introduce new caster. They should wait for this movie.
Okay.
Because I'm working with fresh talent.
No face.
Oh, they are upcoming talent. And yes, sir,
like
meantime top actors. But I just want for people to understand where I'm coming from.
Talent, so
that's why I'm working with this great artist.
But I say no face or obi face be any.
When you're upcoming, no A-list artist. No A-list artist.
Okay. But Ghana for we feel.
I'm telling you.
Me hear how a guy needs to deliver the line and I say, wow, director small. I mean,
okay.
And then you ever cross it.
All right. Not cross it. Yeah, cross it. And you say you, and I say.
All right. You see, you ever cross it.
All right.
Director, don't want to hear anymore.
Oh, update you. Make sure that about studio near Boom.
All right. You ever said album come with me? I shot number see your quani your moy, but enter you Maybe I'm cast me make a come with us. I'm not them talk about young toko. Asem no, the eternal, no one why any, not what prepare me come on, not as enjoy them. Abba, and you say, Masada now, I go for Kumeno and answer Salinko Abase, or Momaye did there and answer my emerald through social media. No, that's not the case. In the pay industry because a honey invest here, you could invest but I buy and fire Juma. And see, baby, I invest and I will say, now you hear now a whole air come up. Maybe I'm strong Poleeno a day. Say, your first time I subscribe. Like a bonus, so anytime you drop any video, and you get it straight. So, Patari, Papa, Jay's collection, a 100 just before so we do a Tenga Johnson. Now, all the way actually, or more Papa say, I will be such a we see any empire. Macramo, bye bye.